Alright guys, so you saw that Mingus and Roman had unfurled my mainsail because they like to sleep on this nice and dry. So I got to figure out how this thing works, and I don't have on my glasses. So really, the easiest way to find out the front and back parts of my sail is to find out where the battens are. Yeah. Just like that old phrase, batten the hatches. Right. Well, this little plastic piece in here is a batten, and it goes on the back of the sail. A long time ago, when they'd say batten the hatches, what they were saying was throw a tarp over top of the over top of the hatch, and then you would use these little battens, these little slivers of wood, to wedge in between the door and the tarp. That way the tarp wouldn't fly off and everybody below deck would stay dry. So now that we know where our back of our mainsail is, where the battens are, it controls the curve, also known as the roach of our sail when we're sailing, we can put this thing up. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Take a look, slow it down if you want to, but either way, thanks for hanging out with Mingus and I.